All right, guys, gonna pull the Yota out, try to get her all cleaned up today. So, see what we can do. And I got the transmission held up by like a 1-inch piece of wood. So, oh, here she comes. Here she goes. Oh, hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. There we go. Let her do her thing. So yeah, that's what I could come up with for right now. There goes Big Corey. Yeah, so I came up with that. I'm gonna start moving wires and whatnot so we can make some room to start cleaning.
Even if I had was dead broke,
Yeah.
I'd like use my credit card or something.
Yeah, because it looks rough.
Hell
But
yeah.
I gotta like take the whole exhaust out because it's hanging fluttering along too. I think it's something to do. He's racer, bro. Alright guys, we're gonna put the radiator in there just to see how it looks. Maybe we'll drop it. Maybe we won't.
I mean, I'm down with dropping it, so that'd be fun.
You grab your thing? Somewhere.
Oh, bro.
Dang.
That's money.
It's literally direct fit.
Hold on, I'll hold it so you can look at it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It looks like an intercooler, bro. It's so new, I guess.
It is good, bro.
Hold on, keep on. Let's put the reservoir next to it. Oh, paint. And I think I'm gonna mount this somewhere right in there, but you won't really be able to see. Got the radiator in there. Looking good. I think we're gonna mount this somewhere right there, make it look a little clean.
Yeah,
but
that's gonna look good, especially with the clean bait.
oh yeah, it's gonna be killer. Quick pause in the video. I'm doing this video in 2 parts. So the first part was like cleaning the bay, and the second part I've been prepping the bay. Keep you guys updated as we do this build. And like y'all know, I'm new to YouTube, so it's hard picking up the phone when I'm in the middle of snatching something out. But as you guys know from the last video, we got the engine out. Just got a couple wires hanging around like this and all that stuff. Well, I am tired of the red. The red's had a fair life. It really had a fair life over here. And the core support, I don't know. I think somebody painted the bumper black and it did all that. But Big Q thinks I should keep it red. I told him, nah, man, we gonna freshen the engine up we got over here. We're gonna get this thing looking good. Gonna paint the bay white, match the truck, make it look clean. Try to clean up some wires and stuff, make it look a little bit better. Yeah, not too much going on in this video with the wiring or the engine or anything, but the one thing we are doing is we're gonna Scotch-Brite this whole bay. I'm not looking for a show class paint job, to put it like that. I'm looking to get this not red and white. I mean, y'all know that this truck's paint ain't even that good, but the bay, I mean, we're not gonna do a half-ass job. We are going to make it look good. But y'all know white's really easy to paint with, but just gotta plug up some of the lines, get some of that, get trans covered up, and we're gonna primer it, paint it. Now with this thing is dirty, son, let me tell y'all. Like, these half moons were not silicone, so that's not good. But yeah, the 22R has a long road ahead of her, and so do we. So got a bunch of parts coming. I'm gonna update you guys throughout the next couple videos, I'm sure, of the parts we got, where we got them from. If y'all want, we'll even go over how much they cost at the end of the day. But yeah, the Yota will be done, I'm hoping, by the end of December, depending on how much progress I can get done. But I do want to at least get it done in January so we can have this thing back ripping. Oh, hey, how you doing? Because I got this thing tuned up. She's doing all right. I had to set the parking brake, so I dropped it down. As I'm going to be getting, in the engine bay right now, but I'm gonna be doing sections at a time. Like, obviously I'm gonna take off all the brackets and everything, but for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and knock down the big surfaces. I'm using just some heavy duty Scotch-Brite, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna go around. I'm not really, that's been rubbed down, but that's not what I'm going for. I'm just trying to knock the top layer off so the primer will stick real good. So yeah, heavy duty Scotch-Brite, a little bit of effort, you can get it done. Quick intermission, guys. Just got back from a ride with the gang. Now, time to get back to the Yota. Little progress update. I've been doing this with Scotch-Brite here and there, the core support. Still got to get some tapping in right there, and obviously we still got to do the rust, but it's getting there. This side still needs more work. We were all talking, so I started doing it. But yeah, I got to get back there. Started hitting over there, but that paint is coming off like cake. I'm not really trying to take it down all the way, but hey, it ain't gonna hurt it. This is the side I've been working on. That is actually a little spot where I sprayed primer. I just want to see how it was gonna react, and I already started scuffing it, but we're getting there. Still gotta, I just took the coil off. That is over there somewhere, but yeah, it's coming along, guys. I mean, this is simple, just literally Scotch-Brite. I have to do something with the master cylinder. I just put this on, and I don't know if it almost looks like it's leaking, but maybe we'll get another one. Who knows? We're already this far into it, but yeah, I've just been roughing this up, and I think that's all we need. It's crazy how many ripples are in everything, but not really going for showcase quality, guys. But I do have some news. Let me turn my headlamp off, but this is supposed to be the drift truck, as we all know, and been collecting for. But the fact that we're doing this, like I said, not show quality, but we are just taking our time with it, really getting everything situated straight. So yeah, starting to just like this truck a little bit more, guys, and you know, I am truly a mini truck guy. Y'all know that's just how I roll. So it's like killing me not to like dump this thing to the ground right now. Get some smaller tires so we can get that fitment right. But yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death with, you know, me scotch writing this, because this is gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna give you guys little updates as we go along. And if you got any questions about how I'm doing this, what I'm doing, drop it in the comments. Be happy to answer. But yeah, I'm gonna keep, you know, scratching away at this, and whoop, drop scratch right. But we'll get it done, guys. Time, patience, effort, baby. We're gonna do it. Just like that. So it's just surface rust, nothing crazy. I already started scuffing it there. I gotta finish it, and then we're gonna do that in black. All you mini truck guys know Krylon is the best paint. So here's just some little bit we got. Obviously you guys can see I'm not done, but we're gonna be going over everything and whatnot. Still have to fix the rust. We actually just were out of town. We're back now, back to the grind, back to the game, guys. We're at 436 subs, so still pushing towards that 500 goal. But I'm gonna let you guys go and get right back to the video. I got my fancy little headlamp on. I have all the bolts in here for right now. I plan on taking all the bolts out, throwing them in some cardboard, obviously, and I'm gonna spray paint them like a metallic silver I bought, so we can get them looking better, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna go buy all new bolts. Some of the bolts will be new, but I'm gonna paint silver. So I'm gonna sand a little bit, just show you guys kind of what I'm doing. I'm not doing any type of technique for this, just because the plan is to get it scuffed up enough. I'm gonna put so much primer up here and so much white paint, you won't even be able to tell. So letting y'all in on that. Let's get to it. It's a new Scotch-Brite pad I had tested out, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted to talk to you guys. Hopefully you can hear me all right between all the Scotch-Brite goodness, but I'm having second thoughts on the drift truck. I'm not getting rid of it, or I don't obviously regret doing all of this, but at the end of the day, I'm a mini truck guy, and like the more I do this, I told myself I wasn't going for perfect, but the more I do this, the more perfect I'm trying to go. Obviously, like I said, with this it's a little different because we're just scuffing and spraying. Who knows, it might be forever, but I do plan on changing the color of the truck. And with that being said, thinking about keeping this OG mini truck, guys. Mike Finnegan, he has a clean mini truck. You guys can, I know he's got plenty of subscribers, but check him out. Got a nice truck. But I have been a truck guy a long time, and yes, I do want to build a drift truck, but I was talking with one of you guys, one of my subscribers, and you know, parts for this truck are hard to find. I mentioned that in videos before, and I'm not trying to tear this truck up because I do love this truck a lot. I've had it for over a year now, and yeah, so I've had some cars in the past, and this goes to my next topic where I plan on doing a car build for a drift car. Something not too crazy. I'm kind of on the fence of like a E36 or something like that, E46, something like pretty alright. Some of my inspirations from YouTube are like Adam OZ, Jimmy O's, mainly Jimmy O's and Rice and Gallo. But you know, if you go check out a lot of traffic tonight, but if you go check out any of their, or not Jimmy because he wasn't there, but everybody was at the LT compound just shredded in some like Junker E36s. It was sick. And I thought that was pretty cool, but I've had a couple cars in the past. I had an S13 hatch, but I didn't do anything with it. I bought it for $300, literally. Oh no, I didn't even pay that much. I bought a set of Chevrolet wheels for like $150, and I get there to the dude's house, and I was gonna give him the wheels, and then I drove an hour there. Out of nowhere, he's like, I'm gonna need another $100. I think he might have been a crackhead, but I was like, okay, well. And then he's like, I'll throw in 2 bucket seats for $100. So I was like, okay, cool, I'll do that. I ended up selling the seats for like $200, and then sold the car for $300. So I made out, but never did anything with it. If I can find the pictures, I'll throw a couple up. But I also had a clean Mark IV GLI Volkswagen Jetta. And I mean, I love that car. It was a clunker, but it was fun. It was black magic pearl. I threw some 18 by 10.5s on it, some coilovers. It was tuned, bolt-ons, all that. It was a fun car, and made cool noises. But then I sold that to get my tow rig, the Chevrolet, and I just feel like, you know, I got a lot of trucks, so that ain't coming out right now. Yeah, it is. But I want to do a little car build for my drift car, I think. Still make this fun little street truck. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But we do have to make this thing pretty perfect if I plan on keeping it for a while. Yeah, I know I'm rambling, but you know, shop talk, baby. No little update. I'm thinking about doing a podcast somewhere along the lines of shop talk. Like, you know, everybody has their buddies in the shop, everybody's bull crafting, so something kind of like that. So drop a comment if you guys want to see a little podcast or something. You know, I don't know about you guys, but I got a long ass drive to work. I do an hour there and an hour back, so I listen to a lot of podcasts myself. All right, guys, enough rambling for the night, maybe, but got this progress. I mean, it's hard to tell on camera, but just scuffing, so we can spray this thing. Still got a lot more taping to do, and a lot of parts to show you guys. That will be next video. Tons of parts. And this is gonna be a slow project. I'm in a predicament though, because like I gotta get this done so I can get the bag truck in here, show you guys bag truck content and whatnot, because we're gonna take the bed off probably and just start cleaning some stuff up. But you know, it's also cold out here and dark every day when I get home, and I'm a normal guy just like you guys. I go work 40-50 hours a week, drive 10 hours, come home. So I'm keeping y'all up on the videos. It is a grind, let me tell y'all that, but we'll get it done. So we're gonna keep cranking on this, guys. Hopefully we're aiming for January, February to be done. I'm getting a heater in here so we can keep everything warm, especially when we get to paint. But let's keep pushing, guys. So stay tuned for the next one, guys. Bunch of parts and everything. Drop a comment, guys. Tell me what y'all want to see. Drop a like. I appreciate it as always, guys. So keep on trucking, guys. I will catch you in the next one.